Model 2015 Ford Transit 350L3 diesel rear-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps H2 van, crew van long MOT. Body, white, panel van crew van. Mileage, 147965. MOT, 24 October 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Needs injector 2 replacing. Quick easy repair if you know what you're doing. The engine is 100%. There's just a slight misfire on idle, also has the injector fault code to confirm, cylinder 2 injector misfire, the engine is definitely 100% fine grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This has been looked after, it is spotless. First to see will buy. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, part service history, electric window.